Hey everyone! First of all, I would like to say thank you because after the last video I got so much feedbacks and so much very positive response, and thank you so much for this. Still, if you like my channel, give a thumbs up and subscribe for my channel. So I would like to introduce this very significant woman in the car industry. She was the first person who ever drove an automobile. She was the first person in history who took a long distance journey with a car, and she was the first person who ever actually tanked a car. Bertha Benz was a wife of Carl Benz, and Carl Benz invented the automobile. And she was a very strong character. In 1886, Carl Benz patented the automobile, and in 1888 they were still not on the road. It's nothing happened with this invention. It was not really tried out, and she was really pushing her husband to make things happen. She truly believed in this invention. She truly believed what car didn't, that the automobile is ready for the road. So she thought, yes, it's ready for the road, so let's prove it. Let's prove also to the people, because of course the people at that time got used to, you know, horses, carriages on the road, and seeing this kind of weird, loud, three-wheeled something, they were of course totally shocked. So she also wanted to convince the people and show to the people that yes, the future is coming, and this is automobile. I would say she was really taking care about the marketing of this future product. She really promoted the automobile, and she believed that it has a future. So when we're talking about her, we're saying that she was the mother of a car, mother of the automobile, and the mother of basically the whole industry. She was a very stubborn woman, and she had a plan. She stole the car from her husband's garage in an August morning, and she drove from Mannheim down to Pforzheim to her parents. And the big plan was, let's prove that the car is ready for the roads. She was not completely alone. She went on this enormous adventure with her two teenager sons, and they had a very long and very tiring trip. This adventure basically started the whole history, and this adventure proved that the automobile is ready for the road. She was really a visionary, and she really had the courage to prove this. And of course, it was not an easy journey, and a lot of difficulties came on the way. She had to tank the car. She found a pharmacy close to Pforzheim, and this pharmacy became the first petrol station in history. This was the place that she bought Ligroin, and she has to fill up the car that it can run. Another difficulty was that this automobile that time had only 2 gears, so there was not enough power to pull up on the gear of some of the hills, so they have to really push the car up. And the 3rd gear basically was the first thing what Carl Benz improved in the automobile after Bertha was saying to him, I cannot go uphill, so have to do something about this. The legend also says that she used her own girdle to fix some of the wires in the motor. She also went to a shoemaker to prepare the brake shoes, so she needed leather to prepare the brake shoes. So that was really a long and adventurous trip, but she made it, and she proved that the car is ready for the road. Even the distance between Mannheim and Pforzheim, only 106 kilometers, that was really a difficult trip. It was just really a short video about Bertha Benz, and it was just really few information about her, and I hope you liked it. You asked me to do this type of videos as well, talking about the significant women in the car industry, and I'm very happy to also do this type of videos. So please, if you like it, give a thumbs up and subscribe for my channel, or follow me on Instagram on A Girls Loves Cars, and see you soon in the next video.